Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out a super fun idea, making a mini welding machine from an old fan motor I found in storage. Inside this motor is a pretty big copper coil, which is perfect to reuse as a welding transformer. The first thing I did was take the entire motor apart and keep only the stator. Then I measured and identified all the wire ends to find the two terminals I needed. Next came the process of rewinding the secondary coil using heat-resistant copper wire to create a stronger welding current. This step takes quite a bit of patience and attention to detail. Once the winding was done, I connected the input wires and secured everything tightly. After that, I made a small wooden base to keep the transformer steady during testing. And finally, I attached the ground clamp and the electrode holder, just like you see here. It looks simple, but every step was carefully planned to make sure it's safe to use. And here it is, today's finished product. Now let's test it out and see how it performs. The sparks come out nice and steady, and the weld holds really well. If you enjoy simple but effective DIY models like this, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring you even more cool projects.